You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing biblical names, Hebrew names from the Bible that too many people mispronounce, make sure to stay tuned. I got many more videos for you. All of them, in fact. You can link to them. I will link to them at the end of this video. Two slightly different pronunciations. In Hebrew, it'd be pronounced more as Shelumiel, Shelumiel. In English, however, it is often pronounced either Shelumiel or Shelumiel, Shelumiel. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.